Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi 12. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Following that, from this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select Receive on Xiaomi, tap on No Thanks and close this window. Then select Send on an Android and click on all of those dots. Then tap on Send. This way you will select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got It. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan the QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Xiaomi, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and click on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!